So yes, basically I received a letter from YouTube creators and
Power off.
So basically I received a letter from YouTube creators and they are telling me, or they are giving me my analytics for the month of July. And let me not talk much, let me just see what they have in the email. So let me just go ahead and open the email. Okay, so it says right here that I've covered, here's how your channel did last month. So for a channel as small as mine, I got 40 new subscribers last month. I got 3,905 total views and I had 12.9k watch minutes. And yeah, basically that is it. So let me just go inside my YouTube studio and see what I have there as well. And mind you, my channel isn't monetized yet. Okay, so this is for June. Sorry, this is for June instead. So in June, right here, I have my overview. In June, people watch your videos 3,905 times, and yeah, that's a total of 215 watch hours. 40 subscribers gained in June, as you can see. And let me see the videos giving me the views. So when I scroll down here, I mean, when I started this channel, I was kind of posting a whole lot of stuff. I wasn't really focused on one topic yet. I was posting a whole lot of things, and I think I did. So this particular video, road trip to Ibri, had 4 views. Ghana version of BB Niger, I mean, there was this, let me not talk about it, had 5 views. Raskuku performance, this video had 5 views. Then I started making more tutorial-like content, and then I posted this video right here. Do Telegram channels pay? That's got 16 views. I mean, this is Yasmin Boateng on how she applied for a school in Canada and traveled. 24 views. These old Ghanaian ads will make you laugh. I mean, this had 497 views. How to get more views on WhatsApp status, and this had 500 views. And then the silhouette challenge had 798 views. The best of Wodemaya and Miss Trudy, this video has 1,979 views. So yes, this is a summary of how my channel performed inside the month of June. And when I come over to the monetization side, I mean, the monetization side, I have my 1,000 subscribers confirmed, and I'm left with a few. Did I say a few? I'm left with some public hours. As of now, I have 2,379 public watch hours, and then I am, as we all know, the target is 4,000. So I am heading towards 4,000 so that I can get my channel monetized. So generally, the last 28 days inside my analytics, my channel had 2,916 views, and then this is about 150. This is about 150 watch hours, and then 39 subscribers. The last 28 days. It's not really that good. It's not that good enough, but it's not bad either. I mean, it's a step-by-step process. So basically, what I'm trying to say right here is that I haven't been consistent enough, for sure. I haven't been posting videos regularly. I mean, and YouTube, it's a little difficult. So what I'm trying to do right now is I'm trying to study my analytics. I'm trying to post more videos relating to, you know, tutorial. I'm trying to post more tutorial-like videos, trying to test my channel, see how well my channel can go or see how well I can rebrand my channel into something like this, more talking and less activity, if that makes sense. Anyway, so this is what YouTube sent me, and this is my analytics for June. I'm hoping to upgrade on this every month. I'm hoping to stay consistent, do all the necessary stuff, and then hopefully build my channel so that I can help others build their channel as well. I mean, that's kind of the direction I want to go now. And so if you're watching me right now, if you're seeing my face right now, or you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like, hit the sub, and let's learn. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.